Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will be talking about the XQ-58A Valkyrie drone. The XQ-58A Valkyrie is a low-cost, high-performance unmanned air vehicle developed for U.S. Air Force. Please remember to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get right into it. Fact 1. Unmanned escort. The XQ-58A Valkyrie represents a transformative advancement in military aviation, serving as an unmanned aircraft drone designed to fulfill multiple critical roles. Developed by the United States Air Force, the Valkyrie's primary function is to operate alongside and provide support for piloted fighter jets. This collaborative human-machine teaming allows it to function as an escort, leveraging its advanced capabilities to enhance the effectiveness and survivability of manned aircraft during missions. Equipped with a versatile payload bay, the Valkyrie can be configured for various missions, including offensive operations and surveillance. Its ability to carry precision munitions makes it a potent asset for engaging ground targets, while its advanced sensors and data-sharing capabilities enable real-time surveillance and reconnaissance. The Valkyrie's unmanned nature grants it the advantage of flexibility, allowing it to execute missions that might pose risks to human pilots. Its cost-effective design and autonomous capabilities further optimize its deployment for a range of scenarios, from combat operations to intelligence gathering. Alright, let's get into the next fact. Fact 2. Loyal Wingman. The Valkyrie is a groundbreaking example of a loyal wingman in the realm of military aviation. As an unmanned aircraft drone, it operates in tandem with the parent airplane, typically a manned fighter jet. This collaborative partnership allows the Valkyrie to serve as a supportive and responsive loyal wingman, enhancing the capabilities of its parent aircraft while performing a variety of roles. Controlled by the parent aircraft's pilot or operators, the Valkyrie operates as an extension of their decision-making and tactical capabilities. It can act as an escort, providing protection and additional sensor coverage for the parent aircraft. Moreover, it can engage in offensive operations, attack ground targets, or conduct reconnaissance and surveillance missions with its adaptable payload options. The loyal wingman concept capitalizes on the strengths of both manned and unmanned platforms, expanding the operational reach and flexibility of the team. Alright, let's get into the next fact. Fact 3. Loss accepted. The Valkyrie embodies a remarkable attribute by being designed for operations with an acceptable risk of loss. This unique characteristic reflects the United States Air Force's forward-thinking approach to unmanned aerial systems, embracing a level of risk that aligns with the potential gains in mission effectiveness and strategic advantage. By acknowledging an acceptable level of risk, the Valkyrie can be deployed in situations where there is a possibility of loss, such as high-threat environments or missions where the potential benefits outweigh the risk. This approach speaks to the versatility and adaptability of the Valkyrie, as it can undertake missions that might be deemed too hazardous for manned aircraft. This attribute highlights the evolution of military aviation, where unmanned systems are integrated into operations with the understanding that they may face challenges and risks. The Valkyrie's role as an acceptable risk asset showcases the United States Air Force's commitment to pushing boundaries, embracing innovation, and leveraging technology to achieve mission success, even in complex and contested environments. With a shift of focus to low-cost drones that can be used as suicide drones or search deep into enemy territory, now air dominance drones may not be large, heavy UAVs, but rather small jet-powered expendable ones. Alright, let's get into the next fact. Fact 4. 3,000 nautical miles. The XQ-58A Valkyrie stands as a testament to extraordinary long-range capabilities with its impressive 3,000 nautical mile range. The 3,000 nautical mile range of the Valkyrie is a remarkable feat for this type of drones, enabling it to traverse substantial distances without the need for refueling. This attribute positioned the drone as a strategic asset for rapid global deployment, bolstering the nation's defense posture and response capabilities. The Valkyrie's range was not only a technological achievement but also a strategic advantage, providing the ability to execute missions deep into enemy territory or project force across remote regions. This capability played a pivotal role in shaping the United States' deterrence strategy as well as offensive strategy. The Valkyrie's impressive range solidifies its place in how the future of the airspace is going to be fought and won. The Valkyrie's role as a low-cost drone showcases the evolving landscape of military technology, demonstrating that cost-effective solutions can still deliver exceptional results in terms of mission effectiveness and operational capabilities. This innovation speaks to the United States Air Force's commitment to modernizing its fleet with efficient and affordable options that maintain strategic superiority in an ever-changing global security environment. All right, let's get into the next and final fact: low cost. The Valkyrie stands out as an exceptional example of a low-cost drone in the realm of modern military aviation. Developed by Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, this unmanned aerial vehicle embodies a cost-effective approach while delivering advanced capabilities. The Valkyrie's design emphasizes affordability without compromising on performance. Its development leverages modular components, open architectures, and streamlined production processes, resulting in a drone that offers cutting-edge technology at a fraction of the cost of traditional military aircraft. The concept of a low-cost drone like the drone is rooted in its potential for versatility. It can perform a range of missions, from surveillance and reconnaissance to combat support, while remaining cost-effective in terms of both acquisition and operation. This adaptability makes it an attractive option for addressing evolving security challenges while optimizing resource allocation. Alright, that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.